Incarcerated former Prime Minister of Pakistan Imran Khan was denied his weekly family meeting today by authorities at Adiala jail. His sister Alima Khan also revealed that the family would not be allowed to meet him on Eid, the festival marking the end of Ramadan. In previous instances when meetings were denied, Mr. Khan was subjected to harsh conditions for weeks, kept in a windowless cage, isolated in a cell for days, amounting to torture. Today, the family was made to wait for 2.5 hours before being informed that they could not meet him. Last month, Imran Khan stated that a powerful colonel controlling Adiala jail takes direct orders from the army chief, General Asim Munir, the country's de facto ruler. Despite these tactics, Alima Khan emphasized that Imran Khan remains firm. Quote, Imran Khan is strong and he has faith in Allah. He will not ask anyone for assistance, unquote. Mr. Khan has repeatedly stated that he will exhaust all legal avenues in his cases and will not seek a deal for his release. He has now been held for 598 days by the Pakistani military government. More trouble for Pakistan's authoritarian de facto ruler, General Asim Munir. In a significant move, Congressman Joe Wilson and Congressman Jimmy Panetta have introduced a bill in the US Congress seeking Magnitsky sanctions against Pakistan's Chief of Army Staff, General Asim Munir, for his role in the persecution of political opponents, including former Prime Minister Imran Khan. This bipartisan legislation, co-sponsored by influential members of the House Armed Services Committee from both the Republican and Democratic parties, accuses General Munir of, quote, knowingly engaging in the wrongful persecution and imprisonment of political opponents, unquote. The bill further calls for the identification of key individuals involved in this persecution and proposes similar sanctions against them. The key individuals could include senior generals like Major General Faisal Nasir, who has been named by Imran Khan as plotting the assassination attempt against him in 2022. General Nasir, a senior official in the ISI, has reportedly been one of the officials behind torture and abductions of PTI officials. If passed, these sanctions could include asset freezes and visa bans, significantly impacting the Pakistani military's global standing. Former Prime Minister Imran Khan's politically motivated cases have once again been adjourned without hearings, a move that party supporters say is aimed at prolonging his illegal incarceration. Mr. Khan, currently held in a maximum security prison cell controlled by the powerful military, remains detained in the Toshakhana State Gift Repository case. His bail hearing has not been scheduled for weeks. Today, a judge, widely believed to be allied with the military and recently inducted into the High Court, adjourned the hearing without allowing Mr. Khan's counsel to begin arguments. Similarly, in another case, one of over 200 against him, Mr. Khan's trial was set to take place inside the Diyala jail. These trials provide family, media, and lawyers access to him, but this hearing was also adjourned. Mr. Khan's wife, Busha Bibi, who is also implicated in this case, has been held for nearly a year. Separate Israeli attacks on the Gaza Strip have killed two media workers, including an Al Jazeera journalist. Hussam Shabad, a journalist who worked for Al Jazeera Mubashir, was killed in northern Gaza on Monday. Witnesses told the network that his car was targeted in the eastern part of Beit Lahia. Reporting from Deir al-Balah in central Gaza, Al Jazeera's Tariq Abu Azum said Shabbat 23 had been previously wounded in another Israeli attack, but he insisted on continuing news reporting in Gaza. Quote, the Israeli military targeted his vehicle without giving any prior warning, unquote, Abu Azum said. The killing of the two journalists brings the number of media workers killed in Israeli attacks on Gaza since October 2023 to 208, according to the government media office, GMO, in Gaza. The Committee to Protect Journalists, CPJ, condemned the killing of Shabbat and Mansour and called for an independent investigation into whether they were deliberately targeted.